This is the Volinaut Airbike, a futuristic flying vehicle developed by Polish engineer and entrepreneur Tomasz Patan, previously known as the co-founder of Jetson, the company behind the eVTOL aircraft Jetson 1. Patan released a video showcasing the prototype of this single-seat flying motorcycle, which resembles a speeder bike from Star Wars and marks a breakthrough in the field of personal aerial mobility. The airbike is equipped with a jet propulsion system, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 200 km per hour. Thanks to the absence of exposed rotors and its compact design, it can safely navigate through confined spaces. Its unique pilot seating position provides a full 360-degree field of view, while a patented stabilization system supported by an onboard computer ensures automatic hovering and easy control. The vehicle's structure is made from ultra-lightweight carbon fiber using three-dimensional printing, making it 7 times lighter than a conventional motorcycle. The project had remained under wraps for a long time and was officially unveiled to the public in April 2025. Although the exact price and commercial release date have not yet been announced, the airbike has already attracted significant interest among technology enthusiasts and experts. China has unveiled the world's first rescue drone capable of providing emergency medical assistance in the most extreme and hard-to-reach environments. This innovative aerial vehicle was developed by Haitian Medical Technology. The drone is equipped with a wide range of advanced medical systems. It can deliver respiratory support, perform intravenous infusions, monitor vital signs, and carry out defibrillation. Moreover, it features real-time video communication, enabling remote doctors to monitor the patient's condition and guide the on-site operator. Built-in sensors and software allow the drone to navigate complex environments and land in confined spaces. One of its most impressive features is its payload capacity of up to 300 kilograms, allowing it to carry a significant amount of equipment and, if necessary, evacuate an injured person. In addition, the drone can operate in temperatures ranging from -25 to +46 degrees Celsius and at altitudes up to 5,000 meters, making it suitable for missions in mountainous terrain, as well as in conditions of heat, cold, or other extreme factors. While its flight range and battery life have not been disclosed, they are expected to be sufficient for operations within a disaster zone. A team of enthusiasts from the Chinese project Moji Aircrafting has built a unique flying vehicle capable of traveling at high speed over water using the ground effect. In just 100 days, they assembled a full-scale Echronoplan measuring 4.8 meters in length with a wingspan of 3.8 meters, designed to carry a single person. The construction used lightweight yet durable materials, reinforced KT panels, extruded polystyrene foam, plywood, fiberglass fabric, epoxy resin, and aerospace-grade aluminum. The design features a 4-motor power system based on drone electric motors, powered by high-capacity 6-cell 16,000 mAh batteries. The vehicle is remotely controlled via the PL-18 system. Key steps in the project included laser cutting, manual assembly, and water testing, where the aircraft demonstrated impressive performance in terms of stability, speed, and liftoff using an air cushion effect. You are looking at a unique personal vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by the New Zealand-based company Martin Aircraft Company. The vehicle known as the Martin Jetpack was in development for more than 30 years, and its final prototype has already gained significant public attention. The Jetpack is powered by a 2-liter V4 gasoline engine producing approximately 200 horsepower. Lift is provided by 2 powerful ducted fans, which enable stable vertical takeoff, hovering, and landing. The vehicle can reach speeds of up to 74 kilometers per hour, ascend to an altitude of up to 2,500 meters, and cover distances of up to 50 kilometers, or fly for approximately 30 minutes. Its maximum payload capacity is around 120 kilograms, while the jetpack itself weighs about 200 kilograms. The price of the device ranges from $150,000 to $250,000, depending on the configuration and optional features. Despite widespread interest, including from government agencies, the company faced financial difficulties in the year 2019, lost part of its investors, and was forced to suspend operations. However, the project is currently being prepared for revival. You are looking at perhaps one of the most insane and spectacular drone experiments imaginable. A person taking off inside a modified agricultural drone, the DJI Agris T-40. This epic project was carried out by the team at DJI Agris, who not only took a major risk but essentially rewrote what is possible with civilian drones. Originally, the DJI Agris T40 was designed as a powerful agricultural drone, capable of spraying fertilizers and chemicals with extreme precision. It features a coaxial dual-rotor system, can carry up to 50 kilograms of payload, and includes advanced autonomous flight capabilities. However, the DJI Agris team decided to harness its potential on an entirely different level. After a series of drone experiments and careful calculations on how to redistribute thrust, reinforce the frame, and ensure pilot safety, one team member actually climbed into the structure and took off, albeit at a low altitude but with stability and full control. Engineers from the company Toyota have recently unveiled their revolutionary new development, a spherical vehicle of the future called the TE Spinner. A transparent sphere with 2 seats inside, it looks as though it came straight out of the pages of science fiction. It is capable of rotating and moving, thanks to a unique mechanism that resembles a hamster exercise wheel. The core of the design lies in a wheeled cart that travels along rails inside the sphere. This movement propels the entire capsule forward, creating a spinning effect. The vehicle is controlled using a joystick installed inside, allowing the passenger to set both the direction and speed of motion. The journey toward a full-size model began with a miniature version the size of a human palm. However, within 4 months, the engineers succeeded in building a full-scale working prototype with a diameter of 2 meters, capable of transporting people. Lately, drones have been actively used not only in agriculture, filming, and logistics, but also as platforms for human transportation. One of the most impressive examples of this trend is the Human Drone Project by Brazilian engineer Marcelo Lavrador, an ambitious homemade creation that proves a single person can build a flying machine capable of lifting a human into the sky. The project is a massive multi-rotor aircraft assembled from dozens of powerful motors, arranged in a circle around a frame with a pilot's seat. The control system is operated manually via a custom-built console, and power is supplied by high-capacity batteries. The craft is equipped with safety features, including emergency motor shutdown and GPS monitoring. Engineer and video blogger Jason from the J-Laser video channel has unveiled the final version of his homemade flying hoverboard, inspired by characters like the Green Goblin and Iron Man. This project is a unique blend of engineering ingenuity and passionate devotion to superhero themes. The hoverboard is a multi-copter equipped with 10 electric motors capable of lifting a person into the air. The design consists of a platform with mounted propellers on which the pilot stands upright, controlling the flight with a handheld controller. The device can support the weight of an adult and maintain stable flight several meters above the ground. During a demonstration flight, the hoverboard lifts off, allowing the pilot to hover and maneuver above the ground. Visually, the device resembles the flying glider used by the Green Goblin in the Spider-Man films, reinforced by its themed design and styling. Although the hoverboard is an experimental prototype not intended for mass production, the project showcases the potential of personal flying devices and serves as inspiration for further development in this field. Jason emphasizes that his goal is to demonstrate what modern technology can achieve and to encourage interest in creative engineering. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.